So my name is Ribeiro. I'm responsible for business development at Easy Metering, and my main role is to make the expansion of our company globally. Easy Metering is a company that is an IoT company that is enable the cellular connectivity for electricity grid device, based on cellular connectivity. So we are also a provider for software as a service platform in order to facilitate the management of the data from the smart meters and other devices that normally is connected to the electricity grid. The main differentiation we have in our solution is we can go very fast with and to do the implementation of our solution in the field. It could accelerate the integration and deployment of the system inside of the utility. Why we have this as a differentiation? Because we have our software in a cloud base, and also we have the connectivity based on our cellular technology. It can facilitate the implementation of the solution. Due to it is not necessary to have telecommunication infrastructure deployment for that. It could help the utility to accelerate the process in order to implement all the solutions that they need in terms of smart meters. The smart meter is important today because most of the utility they have a lot of problems related to how it should be the new dynamic of the electricity grid. The electricity grid now is having some transformation in terms of the participation of the end users in the grid side. We are talking about, for example, solar panels. We are talking about EV chargers in order to facilitate the introduction of electrical vehicles, and also battery storage. The idea behind of smart meter is to have the meters in the field not as a passive element, but an active element in order to help utilities to make all this management in terms of the microgrids introductions in their areas that they need to cover with their services. And smart meters will be important for them in order to control everything related to the microgrid perspective. The ecosystem project that we are working together with Anterix in this specific process in order to accelerate the penetration of private PLTE infrastructure is and was very important for us in order to have the interaction with other vendors and also with the utilities that is part of the program. Because with this interaction with them, for example, we could accelerate the process in order to have the first smart meter certification based on FCC regulations. We had some interaction with big vendors that is part of the ecosystem program, like Nokia, Ericsson, Anterix, and chipset makers, in order to prepare our meter to get this certification. Right now, we are doing the celebration of the first smart meter certificate by FCC, having the Anterix event as part of the connectivity for the smart meters. It is very important for us in terms of the achievement for this year. So we got, as part of this interaction inside of the ecosystem program, a lot of interaction with other vendors that is part of the ecosystem program, and also part of interactions with utilities inside of the ecosystem program to get the certification. Because before to present the meter to have the tests in accordance with the FCC regulation, we work with them in order to prepare the meter to get this certification based on the FCC regulation. And this only happened due to these interactions inside of the ecosystem program with different type of companies like Nokia, Ericsson, Anterix, Telit, that help us to prepare the solution to get the FCC certification. Yeah, we have a lot of things that we believe that we can contribute with Anterix in order to accelerate the process, in order to penetrate and with private LTE infrastructure everywhere here in the West. Because the smart meter is very important for the utility in terms of the volumes that they can have inside of this private infrastructure. And have this certification done, it will be the first step for the utilities to start to use some solutions that could give them some volumes in terms of applications and use case. And with that, we believe for the future, it will be very important not only for Anterix, for Easy Metering, but also for the utilities in order to validate the solution under the private LTE infrastructure.